Hello guys, welcome to my channel Daily Dose. Today I am making this video to talk about Infosys latest update. I am making it in English language so that everyone can understand that. This video is relevant to 2022 batch candidates because I am also 2022 pass out. At that time, when I was in my final year, I applied some of offline jobs as well, and Infosys one among them. In Infosys, I got qualified in interview as well, but later on they did not send any updates. Both Wipro and Infosys, I got qualified, but I did not get any updates later on. But as we all know, Wipro also sent mails recently to phase 2 selected candidates. These mails are related to modules and trainings. Phase 1 candidates received mails and joining at that time only for role of project engineer. But there was no update from Infosys till date for 2022 candidates. But now I have received mail from Infosys and I hope many people among you also have received mail. If yes, then please comment down in the comment section. So let us know what this mail says. So this is furthermore to your discussion with Infosys Limited. Please see the below steps. You will be required to start your virtual pre-training for 6 weeks starting 19th August 2024. So this mail is stating that the training from Infosys, which is a virtual training, it starts for 6 weeks and it will be starting from 19th August. This will be a self-learning model where you will be provided access to content that is required for this program. So it will be a self-learning model, there won't be any trainers available. This will be followed by an in-person assessment conducted at So after the training, there will be in-person assessment, which is like offline exam, which is conducted at various cities across the country. If you successfully pass the competency assessment, you will be invited to join Infosys to go through an in-person immersive training program. So what they mean by saying this is after 6 weeks virtual training and after 6 weeks there will be an in-person assessment. If you guys pass the competency assessment, then you will be joining Infosys to go through the offline immersive training program. Failure in the competency assessment will lead to deferment to your joining dates. So what they said is to click on this link and select yes if you wish to be if you want to join Infosys for the training. If you don't wish to engage with Infosys, then please click on no. And this survey link will be expiring on August 14, 2024. We will respect your decision of not continuing your engagement with Infosys. Please be okay. So this is all what they mean. I know I'm a bit late to this video, but I hope you all have kept your preference yes or no. I have given yes. But as on 19th August, I was waiting for the training links and the resources, which was about to start on 19th, but I did not get any update. So what they are saying in this mail is that all the modules which are given, they should be like self-learned. There won't be any trainer available. And after successfully completing this module, later there will be an in-person assessment which will be conducted in various cities. So if we clear this competency, then only we will be eligible for onboarding in Infosys, and failure leads to deferment of joining date. This is actually a good opportunity, and we freshers, we know how eagerly we are waiting for this. And I think 2022 has a lot of patience and proud for that. We are waiting since 2022 for that. And to say, if already in job and having little experience and habituated to that, we have been already having some experience, we of us are already working. So it will be a little challenging to start everything from scratch again. Because if we need to start this, then again we have to study the modules and again need to attend the incompetence assessment and don't know about incompetence results like above, we must be waiting again. So yeah, but interested candidates, if you guys are waiting, then of course you have to join this because it is a very, really very good opportunity. So whoever is willing to join and are interested, I would say all the very best. So this is my thinking about myself because as I said, for already experience, it is a bit challenging. So since many of us have waited so long for this opportunity, let us move forward. On 19, I did not receive any updates. I personally did not receive any updates. But if any of you guys received it on 19, then please comment. But later on 20th, let us just check. It's on 20th August, I have got one more mail regarding the updates. So I will be making the next part of the video continuing that, what that mail states. So stay tuned, thank you. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more such updates. Thank you. Bye bye.